Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Fire Extinguisher.
Number 5.
Amrex B385 TS, 2.5 pounds Holodron. Holodronite, Class B, C extinguisher. For use on Class B, flammable liquid, spills or fires involving live electrical equipment, Class C. "9 seconds discharge time. All metal valve construction, aluminum valve. Includes vehicle bracket.
Number 4.
Hit 21,005,779 Pro 210 Fire Extinguisher, multi-purpose protection, fights Class A, B, and C fires and is SL rated to a 10B, C. Easy to read, gauge tells you when fire extinguisher is charged and ready for use. Lightweight, durable corrosion-resistant aluminum cylinder. Clear instruction label shows the steps required to operate the extinguisher. Quick and powerful, discharge time of 13 to 15 seconds, a discharge range of 10 to 15 feet, and an operating pressure of 100 C.
Number 3.
Speedy Press PSB 202E steam ironing. Includes wall mount. To a 10BC rating. Two-pack. To a 10BC rating. To a 10BC rating.
Number 2.
First Alert Home Fire Extinguisher. Home Fire Extinguisher. Durable metal head. Corrosion-resistant gauge. Metal pull pin with safety seal to deter accidental discharge. Home Fire Extinguisher.
Number 1.
Amrex B500, 5 pounds ABC dry chemical class. ABC dry chemical, Class A, B, C extinguisher. For use on Class A ordinary combustibles, Class B, flammable liquid, spills or fires involving live electrical equipment, Class C. 14 seconds discharge time. All metal valve construction, aluminum valve. Includes wall bracket.